Hi, I'm Ronald, back again with a new video this week, doing another virtual sketching, and this time I went to Bhutan. Now, to those who are new to my channel, this is the third installment of my virtual sketching series where I browse through Google Maps via the street view of a specific country or location and attempt to sketch it. I already did one in France and Hong Kong, so feel free to check that one out. I will be leaving the links on the description below and at the end of this video as well. The reason why I'm doing this is one, with the current pandemic, I can't easily go out and do urban sketches where I'm located, and reason number two, I'd really love to feel the pages of my sketchbook, so thought of this as the best alternative of doing urban sketches outside. Plus, I get to see places that I may never be able to go to. I only have a few pages left, so do leave a comment where do you want me to go next. I found this interesting corner. Actually, all of their buildings are really interesting. I even saved 3 options, but I decided to sketch this location, and here we go again with butchering street name. It's called Hogchin Lam in the capital city, which is Thimphu. So again, I will be leaving you with the rest of the time lapse. Hope you enjoy. All of the art materials used will be written on the video description, by the way, if you are interested. And here's the final sketch. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'd really appreciate if you would leave a comment or do like this video, and probably subscribe if not done already. So see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.